Hercule type silver coin. The first silver Hercules coins were issued under the First Republic in 1795, year 3 of the Republic. The drawing on the reverse depicts Hercules naked with the leonty, standing frontally, to his left Liberty holding a pike surmounted by a Phrygian cap, to his right, Equality holding the level. The leonty refers to the skin of the lion of Nemea and represents the first of the 12 works of Hercules, Heracles in Greek. It is the work of Augustin Dupre. This coin has a value of 5 francs for a weight of 25 grams, a silver title of 900 per thousand. The Numismatic and Investment coins of the Fifth Republic. The 10-franc coin. The drawing of Hercules is reproduced in the form of a 10-franc coin between 1964 and 1973, with a diameter of 37 millimeters, a weight of 25 grams for a title of 900 per thousand. It is minted at 39,084,926 copies. At that time, the 10-franc silver Hercule coin was mainly marketed and distributed as payment for pensions and retirements. The idea was that the grandparents were not going to spend these amounts in commerce, but to keep them or give them to their grandchildren and thus hoard them. The 50-franc coin. This engraving is revived again in 1974 for a piece of 50 francs. This large imposing coin has a diameter of 41 millimeters, weighing 30 grams for a title of 900 per thousand. It was minted from 1974 to 1980 at 46,410,266 copies. The differences of the 50-franc silver Hercule coin. Some 50-franc coins dated 1974 show a difference in engraving, while the laurel branch to the left of the figure of Liberty is a few millimeters higher than other coins from 1974 to 1980. On the investment market, the coins have the value of the silver metal weight they contain. The price, value, of the silver metal is easily found on the internet. It changes every day. At the time of posting this video, the 10-franc coin is worth 26.78 euros and the 50-franc coin is worth 32.10 euros. Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.